You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know it confuses a lot of people and many mispronounce it. This is a surname. It's also occasionally used also as a given name. If you want to learn more confusing names, including Irish, Welsh, Scottish, stay tuned. Menzies is how it is pronounced. So some may say a bit more as Menzies, some a bit more as Menzies. Menzies, essentially. So it's like it's spelled M-I-N-G-U-S, somewhat. Menzies. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.